Heading to Standing Rock, taking Jeremy Shoulder's son hunting, enjoying the beauty of the sunrise. And we're about a couple hours out and totally excited. Can't wait to get it on.
All right, we're here at Standing Rock Hunting Lodge in Jamestown, Tennessee. We're going to do a little hunting this weekend. Nathan's going to probably kill a buffalo. We've got another guy going to kill something. I'm going to kill a hog. It's going to be a great time. Stand by and check this hunt out. We're sitting here in a chute now, so we're hoping we can get a buffalo to come out here or something. So it looks like a pretty good spot, so stand by.
Which one are we looking at?
See the cow? She just looked at us. She's standing there broadside and she just turned. She's walking to the right now.
Yep.
She just turned to the right.
Yep.
He can shoot her if he wants to.
See which one you're talking about, Nate?
She'd be the one on the right. She just looked at us.
She's looking
at us.
right
See her
now,
looking
Nate.
at us?
All right, Nate, you got to slide towards your dad.
She's looking, hang on now. Keep an eye on her.
Okay, so
She's in the back.
she's in the very back. I need you to sight her up. Sight her up. The one, yes. The one, you got two and then that other one?
Yeah, that's what I was telling you about.
I'll shoot that one at heartbeat. That's the Beefalo, right?
Okay, Nate, I don't know which
All
one
right,
it is
Nate,
now.
I do. It's the third one from the left.
Left. Yeah.
Wait, you got her? Nate?
Which one is it?
The
Third one from the left. Well,
She's bringing up the rear.
she's
of
in the
buffalo.
back. She's pointing her ass at us.
Okay.
Hang on.
Just wait,
Fourth
Nate.
from the left.
Yep.
There's one behind her.
We got to make sure he gets the right one.
Yes, and I don't want one behind her. I don't think you need to pay for two of them.
Let's wait till she gets away from the rest of them.
Don't take your safe. Okay.
She's in the middle of them three.
Yep.
She's in the
There it is.
middle one.
Okay. You see which one it is, Nate?
She's still got her butt.
Yep, she's got her butt.
They'll fan out.
Is she by the one with the white tail?
No. She just turned to the left.
She's wagging her tail.
Yeah, she's the third one from the left.
Just. All right, Nate. Can you
She's
see
the
them all?
third from the left.
Can you count from the left?
Can you see the
Can
third one
them
from the
all?
left?
Yeah.
Okay, the third one from
Third
the
one
left.
from the left. Hang on.
She's to the left of the white. Well,
Oh, she's not.
No, she just moved in.
they're from the axis that way.
Yeah, right there would be a good shot. Those yaks weren't there.
She'll turn to the left.
Yep, if she goes left, Nate, you're going to have an opening.
She's got her butt to it right now.
You see her right over the one with the white tail?
Yeah.
Okay. If she goes left,
Is she still the third one?
Yeah,
yes.
she's third from the left.
If she goes left, I'm going to zoom you in. You don't have to pop it. You know where. I'll zoom you in. I'll take your safety off. Okay? Come on. Step out.
You see which one we're talking about?
No.
You still on it?
No.
Still good?
Okay, here she goes.
Okay, you still good?
Are you on the third one from the left? The third one.
You got her, Nate?
Which one's the third one?
Uh,
She's going the other way.
Shit, she's going the other way. And one stepped in front.
She's the farthest one.
Yep,
Young,
she's the
Mike.
furthest one. Can you? All right, Nate. I'm gonna have to do this back to you here.
You just gonna make sure you
Pick
see the
back
one
up.
by herself.
Pick it up.
Roadside.
She's way, way, way out there. She's the one furthest away. You see it? There's no.
Wait, there's not a shot there. There's
She's
one.
the fourth from the left now.
Yep. fourth
You got
one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Nate?
Well,
There's
there's
one right up behind her.
okay, one's going up behind her. I think she's by herself right now. She's going to go down that hill. Yep. She just disappeared down the hill. Didn't she?
Yep.
Yep, there they all go. Might be too far to the right for it. That's what I'm thinking.
I see.
Just stay close.
One to the far left. Far left.
Okay, you see it there?
Well, she's the second one from the left now. No, she's all the way in the front. They ain't gonna stop.
They ain't gonna stop.
She's far right now.
Now she's on the far right. Damn it.
Tell you what.
Not that one. Not that one, Nate.
The one right behind that cow. Right there. That one. Let's just step on up this one.
Here, spin around. Get this right here. This right here. Take it off the fire. Turn. No.
This right
Spin around. Get her. Get her.
Just like that. That boy.
All right, we are here at Standing Rock Hunting Lodge. My son Nathan, he just harvested this beautiful cow buffalo. She made us work. She made us work, didn't you, buddy?
Yup.
We I don't know, we probably chased her around for a good hour, maybe more. And it's almost July. It's the end of June. It's pretty warm out here, so. But yeah, he was able to get a good shot on her. He hit her right where he's supposed to. He had to spin around. She ran around behind us, so he spun around on her real quick, and he got a good shot. Really proud of him. This is a great place. If you all haven't been anywhere in eastern Tennessee to hunt, come down here and try Standing Rock Hunting Lodge. They're really great guys. Tracy will take care of you. Good hunt. Get over here, Nathan. We're trying to stay out of their line of sight.
shoots buffalo, I mean, I ain't nothing I can do. And that's just more meat for him, you know. He shot something.
Heard it hit.
Yeah.
I seen the beefalo kick.
Say, did he hit it? Did he move?
No, it didn't even flinch. There you go, Kevin. The way it's hanging by itself makes me think it.
Yeah, he's hit it. I've heard him hit it. Or that's what that thud usually means.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's hit it. It wouldn't be standing over by itself. By itself to the left.
Yep, it's went down.
We're down here at Standing Rock Hunting Lodge and having a great time today. Jeremy's son Nate already got a buffalo this morning, and the guides are fantastic down here. They put me on a hybrid. It's a Beefalo. It's a buffalo cow combination, and I've been wanting to put some meat in the freezer, and they said this is the best way to go. So they got me on it quick, and the result is as you see. We're having a great time down here. Look them up.
Ready? Yep. Hang on. Wait for it. Here we go. I don't want to shoot it straight on. Here's your shot, buddy. Come on, you're gonna lose him.
He's down.
That wasn't the best shot in the world. I think I did a little far back. But it was about to get away, and I wasn't going to let that happen. Sorry, went in here. Not there. Yeah. I hit him a little far back, but he was getting ready to get away, so I shot him. He was kind of walking.